Hi everyone, welcome to another journaling page. For today, we are doing a very simple journaling page, and I wanted to kind of restrict myself to very few things. So, first things first, I am using Tangle's diary and I have added some water on top of it, and then I'm using some liquid acrylics and I'm kind of spreading it out using a brush. Now, these liquid acrylics mimic the watercolor kind of a look. However, once dry, they are permanent since these are acrylics. So, they were a fun medium to want to try out in journaling. Now, once I have applied the color, I kind of wanted to create that plastic smooshing kind of an effect. So, for that, I'm using this scrap piece of plastic to kind of move the color around. And wherever I felt that there was a lot of color, because of which the smooshing effect would not have come nicely, I took it out using a tissue paper. Now, here is how it looks after drying, and I had already selected these two stickers to be used on top of this page. These are from Tangle's 4x6 centimeter stickers, Motivational Quotes and Silhouettes. Now, don't worry, all the products that I talked about are linked in the description below. As I said, I wanted to kind of keep this page very simple, and since this quote was like kind of Edison, and it talked about brains and all that, so I decided to just kind of just doodle around and play around with lines and see what I come up with. So I started doodling with my pen on the page, and then I did not take away my pen from the page, and I kind of just doodled to see how it looks, and this is what came up. Then I stick those stickers on the top of the page, and then just to add some interest, I decided to add some splatters of black here and there. And still I felt something was missing, so I decided to add these star sequins, which are also from a similar shade of black color, and then I added them across the page, like scattered them across the page to just add a little bit of shine and depth to my journaling page. And that would be it. That was today's page, a very simple, like minimalistic page which you can like complete in minutes. If journaling is something that you do daily, this would be perfect. This kind of layout and ideas would be perfect for it. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll soon see you with another journaling tutorial. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.